This is a bit difficult sum. Here we have to prove that point C is midpoint of side QR. C is midpoint of side QR. See, we have been given certain information. Given हम लोग लिखते हैं. Given is that A is midpoint of SR. Second given is RB is equals to 1/4 of PR. If you look at the sum, RB is 1/4 of PR. It is given to us, and we have to prove that C is midpoint of RQ. That is RC is equals to CQ. That is what we want to prove. चलिए शुरू करते हैं प्रूफ. स्टेटमेंट रीजन के लिए पार्टीशन बनाते हैं. Okay, we'll start. Before that, I'm very sorry, I missed it out. Before starting, we need to go for a construction. We have to join. Okay, let us take construction in a different color. We have to join SQ, which intersects PR at point O. So our construction will be join SQ which intersects PR at point O. Now we'll start with the proof. Proof लिखना शुरू करेंगे. Here we can write that OR is equals to half of PR. Reason, if you look at the diagram, okay, we'll write in parallelogram PQRS. In parallelogram PQRS, diagonals PR and QS intersect each other at point O, and in fact diagonals bisect each other at O. मतलब डायगनल्स दो इक्वल पार्ट में डिवाइड होते हैं एट पॉइंट ओ. तो ओ आर पी आर का हाफ हुआ. रीज़न में हम लिखेंगे डायगनल्स ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम बाइसेक्ट ईच अदर. That is, we can write PR is equals to 2OR. This is important. Now, we have been given this information. RB is half of PR. Look at the given. ये दिया हुआ है. And now, using 1 and 2, we can write the third statement that RB is equals to half into, instead of PR, I can write 2OR. सॉरी आई एम वेरी सॉरी. इसमें एक मिस्टेक हो गई है मुझसे, एंड वो ये है दैट इट इज़ गिवन टू अस दैट आर बी इज़ 1/4 ऑफ पी आर. आर बी इज़ 1/4 ऑफ पी आर. सो आर बी इज़ 1/4 ऑफ पी आर, एंड इंस्टेड ऑफ पी आर, ये पी आर के जगह पे हम लोग 2OR लिख सकते हैं. वी कैन राइट 2OR in place of PR. PR के जगह पे 2OR लिख सकते हैं. एंड देन कैंसिलेशन होके what we get is RB is equals to half of OR. Let us refer the diagram. RB is equals to half of OR. That means that B is midpoint of OR. Okay, so let us use this information. Statement number 4. In triangle RSO, A is midpoint of SR, which is given, and we just now proved that B is midpoint of RO from statement number 3. So we can say that, refer the diagram, A is midpoint of SR, B is midpoint of OR, so we can say that AB is parallel to SO. Parts of parallel, midpoint theorem, AB is parallel to SO, midpoint theorem. AB is parallel to SO. Reason, midpoint theorem. This theorem says that segment joining midpoints of two sides, this segment will be parallel to the third side and this segment will be half of the third side. Right now we are using the parallel wala part. That is, I can definitely write that AC is parallel to SQ. Yes? Refer the diagram. If AB is parallel to SO, we can write that AC is parallel to SQ. Now, we'll utilize that to prove C is midpoint of RQ. कैसे? देखिए, in triangle, just take another color. In triangle RSQ, A is midpoint of RS, which is given, and AC is parallel to SQ, which is from 6. Refer the diagram. In triangle RSQ, A is midpoint of SR, which is given. That's what we wrote. And AC is parallel to SQ, which we proved. So AC parallel to SQ we proved. So we can say that C is midpoint of RQ. We can definitely say that C is midpoint of RQ. Reason, converse of midpoint theorem. Converse of midpoint theorem क्या कहता है? It says that a segment or a line which passes through midpoint of one side, which is parallel to another side, will definitely bisect the third side. तो ये इसे bisect करता है at point C. So C is midpoint of QR. That is what we want to prove. Thank you.